In the world of gadgets, some innovations push the limits, often raising safety concerns or even breaking regulations. Despite being banned or restricted in certain areas, these gadgets somehow still show up for sale on platforms like Amazon, etc. Let's dive into the fascinating world of banned gadgets, their risks, and how they remain available to curious buyers. The banned gadget at number 11 is Flamethrower Kit. First, it has push-button piezoelectric igniter. This propane weed torch comes with a high-performance piezoelectric ignition system, making it super easy to use. The upgraded spark generator lets you light up the flame just by pressing a button, no hassle, no fuss. Second, it has torch and hose. Both the torch and hose are CSA certified, which means they've passed strict safety tests, including a high-standard leak test before they even leave the factory. With a valve seal ring imported from Germany, you can be sure that safety is top-notch. This torch heats up to an impressive 3400 def with ease, with a powerful output reaching 700,000 BTUs. Plus, the flame extends up to 28 inches, giving you serious reach and heat. And the torch comes equipped with a 6.5-foot marine-grade rubber hose that's flame retardant and built to last. It's also anti-aging, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear. The hose can handle pressures up to 4,200 psi, and all steel parts are made from heat-resistant, anti-corrosive materials. This eliminates any risk of leaks over time, ensuring the torch performs well for years to come. Number 10. Cheating Watch. The cheating watch may look like any ordinary wristwatch, but don't be fooled, it's packed with secret features. This clever gadget is specifically designed for students looking to get a little extra help during exams. Hidden behind its regular-looking face is a small digital screen that can display notes, formulas, or even entire study guides. What makes it even sneakier is that to everyone else, it just looks like a regular watch. However, it's crucial to remember that using this during a test could lead to serious consequences if you're caught. So while the design is undeniably impressive, you'll want to think twice about using it in high-stakes situations. It's a perfect example of how far tech has come, but with great power comes great responsibility. Number 9. Lipstick Stun Gun. Looking for a discreet way to carry some extra protection? The lipstick stun gun might be the perfect solution. At first glance, it appears to be a regular tube of lipstick, but inside is a powerful stun gun capable of delivering a high-voltage shock. It's small enough to slip into a purse or pocket, making it easy to carry without drawing attention. This little gadget is designed for personal safety, giving you the upper hand if you ever find yourself in a dangerous situation. With a quick zap, you can surprise a potential attacker and create a chance to escape. Just remember, like all self-defense tools, it's important to know how to use it responsibly and safely. The next banned gadget is more interesting to know is Mojo Lens. Ever dreamed of having a mini computer right in your eye? Meet the Mojo Lens, a smart contact lens that turns that dream into reality. Developed by Mojo Vision, this gadget gives you a heads-up display directly in your field of vision. What's even cooler? It tracks your eye movements, so you can control the display with just a glance or simple gestures. From real-time translations to amazing augmented reality for gamers, the possibilities are endless. And yes, despite sounding like something from the future, it's already here. Number 7. Multi-Pick Chronos Electric Pick Gun. Lock picking can be a useful skill in certain situations, but it also poses a risk when it's used with bad intentions. The availability of tools that simplify lock picking online is a growing concern. One of the most popular tools in this space is the Chronos Electric Lock Pick Gun by Multipick. It's equipped with advanced electronics and a powerful motor, making it one of the quietest electronic picks available. Designed, engineered, and manufactured in Germany, the Chronos is built with enough strength to tackle most 4, 5, and even 6-pin cylinder locks with ease. Its compact design makes it convenient to carry, but its power makes it an effective tool for those who know how to use it responsibly. Number 6. Electric Blanket. Ever thought about getting an electric blanket to stay cozy and warm during those chilly winter nights? While they're pretty popular, electric blankets are actually banned in some countries due to safety concerns. These blankets have built-in heating elements that you can adjust to your comfort, and many are even machine washable. But here's the catch: the combination of heat and flammable materials can be risky. These blankets have built-in heating elements that you can adjust to your comfort, and many are even machine washable. But here's the catch: the combination of heat and flammable materials can be risky. On top of that, people who can't easily sense pain, like young children, the elderly, or those with conditions like diabetes, are at higher risk of getting serious burns. Despite these concerns, electric blankets are still sold in many places. and this is twin blade knife. Now, this isn't your ordinary pocket knife. It's got 2 blades that can be deployed simultaneously, giving you twice the cutting power. Sounds cool, right? But here's the catch. It's actually banned in many places because of how dangerous it can be. You see, the twin blades make it super easy to cause serious damage, and that's why it's considered illegal in most areas. So while it might look impressive, it's one tool you definitely don't want to get caught with. Keep it legal, folks. Number 4. Powerful lasers. The newly upgraded LED flashlight boasts a powerful light mode, delivering up to 10,000 lumens. This flashlight provides wide-area illumination, and its tactical design can light up areas as far as 1,000 feet away, making it perfect for outdoor activities or emergency situations. Built from tough aluminum alloy, this flashlight is both wear-resistant and drop-resistant, ensuring it's durable enough to handle rough conditions. It's also IPX6 waterproof, so it can stand up to extreme weather like heavy rain or storms without any issues. With 5 different lighting modes: strong light, medium light, low light, flash, and SOS mode, this compact flashlight offers great versatility. Its adjustable focus allows you to switch between a wide beam for broad visibility and a focused beam for precise illumination. Whether you need a powerful beam or something softer, this flashlight covers all your lighting needs, making it a reliable tool for any situation. Number 3. License plate hider. Have you ever wished you could hide your license plate at the touch of a button? Well, the license plate hider makes that possible. It's a clever device that, with a single press, can flip or completely cover your plate, making it vanish from sight. Whether you're looking to enhance your privacy, avoid unwanted attention, or just give your car a cool spy-like feature, this gadget delivers. But be cautious. While it may seem fun and practical, using this on public roads could get you into legal trouble in many areas. Always check your local laws to make sure you're not breaking any rules before trying it out. Number 2. GSM Jammer. Ever wondered if there's a device that can block mobile signals? Well, meet the GSM Jammer, a gadget designed to cut off cell phone communication within a certain range by interfering with the signals between the phone and the cell towers. Now, before you get too excited, it's important to know that using one of these is illegal in many countries, including the US, because it disrupts emergency calls and can pose serious risks. It's banned for a reason. It messes with networks that people rely on for safety. Some may think it's handy to block annoying calls or create a distraction-free zone, but trust me, it's not worth the legal trouble. So while it might sound like something out of a spy movie, remember, this is one gadget you're better off staying away from. And at number 1. RFID NFC Skimmer. This is RFID NFC Skimmer, which looks like a small mobile phone, but it's not. It's actually an RFID NFC skimmer. This gadget allows you to read and clone various smart cards using different frequencies like 125 kHz and 13.56 kHz, which are common for access cards. It comes with a USB-C adapter that connects directly to your phone, making it super convenient compared to using a computer. This skimmer supports reading and writing for multiple card types, including MyFair, HID, and other encrypted tags. You can use it to clone cards by simply reading the card's data and writing it onto a blank one. Though I've had trouble with encrypted cards before, this tool has been more reliable, even for the more difficult frequencies. For around $80, it's a handy tool to have, especially if you're frequently duplicating access tags. Perfect for locksmiths or anyone needing extra tags on the go. Which gadget do you think is more dangerous to use and must be banned? Comments below. See you in next video.